After deploying the instance from iiQWorks.Sim to the robot controller, we can now start the instance out of iiQWorks.Sim. If you are connected to the robot controller, you will find a tab called Online Connection. Click on Refresh Connection first to make sure everything works fine. Then click on the Start Instance button. To see the outcome, you can switch to the iiQWorks.Cockpit, where you will see that the robot controller is starting. In addition to that, you will see that the smartPAD is starting to show an image. First, it will be running partially. Then the status LEDs will turn green one after the other. Please be patient, this might take few moments. You can request the SPoC from the iiQWorks.Cockpit or the smartPAD and start using the newly configured robot.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.